Hi everyone and welcome to another crochet tutorial with me, Veronica from GARKNUTEN. In this video I will teach you how to crochet these super cute Easter eggs. I've linked the written pattern down below if you prefer to follow text instead of a video. For this pattern you need to know how to crochet a magic circle and how to work single crochets in the round. You also need to know how to increase and decrease with single crochets. I've linked all the video tutorials for the stitches you need to know to complete the pattern down below. For this pattern you'll need any yarn that you have at home. It can be a fine yarn or thick yarn, in cotton or in wool, you choose. I'm going to use an organic wool yarn. You will also need a crochet hook that works with the yarn you will use, a pair of scissors, some stuffing, a darning needle, and a stitch marker can also come in handy. The written pattern can also come in handy, especially if you are like me, who think you have a better memory than you actually have. You'll find the written pattern on my blog at www.garknuten.com/blog. Okay, so I think that was everything. Now it's time to crochet. We'll start off by crocheting a magic circle with 6 single crochets. I make my magic circle by crocheting 2 chain stitches and making 6 single crochets in the second chain stitch from the hook. On the next row we'll crochet 1 single crochet and 1 increase 3 times. At the end of the row we should have 9 stitches. On the next row we will crochet 2 single crochets and 1 increase 3 times. If you have trouble to keep track of the rows, I recommend you to use a stitch marker as a helper. On the next row we'll do the same as on the previous one, but instead of increasing 3 times, we'll increase 4 times. On the next row we will crochet 3 single crochets and 1 increase 4 times. At the end of the row we should have 20 stitches. On the last increase row we will be crocheting 4 single crochets and 1 increase 4 times. At the end of the row we should have 24 stitches. For the next 4 rows we will be crocheting 1 single crochet in each stitch. For this part I will use my magic editing skills and teleport into the future. Welcome, it's 4 rows later. Now it's time for some decrease rows. On row 11 we'll crochet 2 single crochets and make 1 decrease 6 times. At the end of the row we should have 18 stitches. On the next row we will crochet 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times. At the end of the row we should have 12 stitches. Okay, so now it's time to stuff the egg before the hole gets too small. We have finally arrived for the last row. On the last row we will crochet a total amount of 6 decreases. At the end of the row we should have only 6 stitches. Now we are almost finished. We only have to cut off the yarn and fasten off the yarn ends. You can fasten off your yarn in many ways, but this is the way I do it. Woohoo! Our egg is finished! If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe, and comment below what you would like me to crochet next. Thank you for watching and good luck with your Easter eggs!